Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix something went wrong with Instagram. Instagram closed because this app has a bug, or it's saying try updating this app after its developer provides a fix for this error. So basically this kind of error is facing by lots of users. So if you are into the same situation and looking for fixes, don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. What you have to do is this time there is a server downtime, so you have to check whether downtime is resolved or not. So simply go to Google and search for Instagram down detector, and after searching for it, you have to open the website, and here you can see that there is a server downtime going on. So you have to wait for it before it is fixed from the before it is fixed on its own or from the support team. So you have to wait for it. As you can see, there is a server downtime, so you have to wait for some time, and after that again check if the problem is resolved or not. Meanwhile, you can follow the methods discussed in this video to resolve the problem. First is to check if the app needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and after that here you have to check if there is any update available for the app. If yes, update your app to the latest version, and after that log into the app and check if it's working. If not, next is to force stop the Instagram app. For that, click and hold the app icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now check if the issue is fixed. You should also clear the cache of the app. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back, open the app and check if it's working now. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the app once. So for that, click and hold the app icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the app from your device. After that, reinstall Instagram app once again and then check if the problem is resolved. But basically the problem is going on because of the server problem. So as the server downtime will be resolved, you can access the app easily without any kind of errors or issues on your phone. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.